Okay, so this is the third time I'm recording the seventh episode of third season because of technical problems. Sometimes the phone is like storage full. Who thinks like Apple is the most intelligent device, man? I don't understand. I deleted all the videos, but it kept the videos in some weird recently deleted folder. Okay, it didn't delete it, and now then I started shooting, and then it shows the notification your storage is full. I was like, what is this? How is this intelligent? Seriously, man. You are all like brainwashed, you know? This phone is made of metal. So if I sit in this heat, like which is normal heat, it's not like Indian hot, right? This phone will heat up in like 1 hour. And then it will show like, okay, phone overheated, do this, do that. What is this? You think that is intelligent design? That is stupid design. You have not even designed it to be in natural environment. You have only designed it for the AC. For the rich. Okay, in AC situation where temperature is always 20 degree, this phone will work best. Very nice. Anyway, that's not the topic. So basically, we are done with our walking experiment. I've said this like 3 times now because this is the third episode to record. I usually do everything in one take only, so I never retake. But it was not recorded, so it was interrupted only. There was no way. So we are done with the walking experiment, and we did 20 kilometers per day for 12 days, and it's 240 kilometers. And we learned a lot about the body, basically. The limit of at least my, I don't know about your guys' bodies. Maybe you are different, aliens or something. Who knows? I have never checked your body. Okay. So my body, I found out that the limit is kind of. It's not I cannot do it. Possible. But I have to figure out my own strategies, basically. It's very similar to my breathing. So my nose has kind of like here, there is a bone which is tilted. So it's hard. My one side of this nose is completely closed. But then what you do, right? So you, even when you used to run, that time I had to find out other ways so that I can balance out the same oxygen, right? Which is required for running. So you need to find your own ways, basically, about everything. Even like, that's what I'm saying, like playing flute. So I need to find my own way of doing it. And when you do that, that is real freedom. Because you are not like, yeah, this is flute, this is the theory, sare, gama, papa, nini. I mean, that is fine. But if you really enjoy it. But I usually find it structure is very hard to enjoy. Whenever I teach you in a very structured manner, right? The same thing I can teach children. In 1 year, you are teaching what? The like 10 science concepts. Okay? So you will teach them optics, you will teach them this, that. I can teach them the same thing without any structure. 10 things only you need to teach, right? So it doesn't need to be like, yeah, sitting in the class, opening the book is like this. Optics means light, right? You sit in the sun and then observe. A day before I was observing, this water, this actually behaves like a prism. There was like a full rainbow casted where the light was passing through certain angle at one day. Everything is here, right? Reflection, refraction, and all of this. The scientists have not like got this knowledge from like emptiness. They have observed only. So you can also observe and learn. Maybe your observation might be more deeper than what the scientist guy observed. You understand? He was not the epitome, right? Like, okay, this is the only height you can go in optics. But how would you go about it? You have to look at it, and then only you can go about it. Observe. So today I have one guy for you. I have realized, most of the people who watch these videos think like I'm insane or something. I mean, that is fine also. I don't mind being insane. Being insane is fine. Because I actually know, that I'm most of these guys are actually not intelligent than me. I mean, it's not like arrogant or something. I can do stuff much faster than most of the people. I can learn so fast. If you look at my life, like, look at what I have learned in, like, first like aerospace engineering, then I did like some design, visual communication. It's like, look at where is aerospace engineering? So you are like a nerd, all of that. And then where you go? You go to visual communication. And I started doing photography. So I made movies, photography, storytelling, and all of that. Then I learned like design, so web design, UI, UX, all of that. Then I'm very good at it now. Done. So many softwares, like crazy. And a lot of it, that is because initially my initial part of my life, instead of learning things, I focused more on learning methods of learning. I was like, if I learn how to learn, that is the biggest power. Then I can use the same method on anything and I can learn it. So that is real freedom. If you want to play flute, you take it, spend 1 week with it and you learn it and then you play it. Done. But yeah, so coming back, like most of you guys, I think are thinking like it's crazy. What is this guy talking? All of this. I don't understand. If I don't understand, it must be stupid. Because there are only two choices. If I don't understand something, let's say I don't understand what the birds are speaking. So either I will assume that the birds are very intelligent, that they have language which is more developed than me, or I will assume that they are very stupid. They have no idea what they're going in the world. So I think you must have taken one choice, either this or that. So both the choices are fine. I know how to live in this world. I mean, but today it's already 8 minutes. 8 minutes gone in life. Look how fast time is going. So I think this episode be a status update episode, and I will do a proper content episode, like the series episode, right after this only, because I have the content prepared now. So yeah, I think that's about it. I understand, it's not possible for anyone to look at the life how someone else looks at it, right? But that's what I'm trying to show you guys. That's what I'm trying to show you, like, in terms of pure energy, the world actually exists in you only. But in terms of the human systems of language, the human system of the modern systems, like the money, governance system, economic system, legal system, These are all systems which someone has thought at one time, and then they kind of become very obvious. But these systems, they don't need to be, I mean, their existence is very subjective and very relative. Don't make them absolute systems. They are not absolute systems. You need to understand that, because their value only lies in the shared meaning. Shared meaning of the words I am saying. Some of you understand it because you share the meaning with me. Sharing meaning means you know English language. That's sharing meaning. Some of you don't understand it because you don't share the meaning, because you are not even trained in that kind of meaning. It's like learning a code language only. Like you are relating the sound with the meaning. So I say hello. Some people will know what it means. Some won't. I mean, very few won't, because hello is quite popular. But then I say namaste. Some people will understand. Some won't. Then maybe like konnichiwa. Like Inosha hamdia. Inosha hamnida. Inosha hamnida. Liho. Niho. So you understand? Do you know what I said? Now, people who don't understand part of it, for them that is like an abstract language. You understand? So either I am stupid because I am making any sound. For you, I am making any sound. But if you find proof in your life, oh, this guy said hello in this language, then you'll be like, oh, this guy is very intelligent. You understood? So first you took it as stupid because you couldn't understand it. Because in your world, the sound was abstract. In your world, the sound was not making any sense. So same way, in your world, my words are not making any sense. But that is only relative and subjective, right? That is learning. That if you keep repeating certain motion, it's like if I keep doing this in YouTube, there is a tap thing, right? If you tap, the video goes ahead by 15-30 seconds, right? So if I keep doing it, after a certain time, it will become very obvious to me. So I think anything I will open the video, I will try to do that. It's like, tuck, tuck. Why is not going forward? So that's the same. It's like the function of certain sound or certain physical action, it can be very easily related to any like communication medium, like language or sound or whatever. Okay, I think it's a long enough video now. It says too much. I will discuss one nice guy with you in next video, and he will be surprising. If people are really listening and if they really want proof, I am giving them proof, and they should research on it, and I think it will open up a lot of their mind. Okay, I'll see you guys.